So the next talk should be given by Krzysztof Langner in a few minutes. Krzysztof, are you ready now?
Yes, I am ready. Just give me a second to open the presentation.
Okay.
Okay, I want to give you a quick overview of the Parsec service we prepared in the Europlanet 2024 research infrastructure project. The Parsec stands for PlAnetaRy SciencE Collaboration tool, and it is a tool that is meant to help astronomers and amateur observers to coordinate the solar system observations and to connect observers and researchers. The service is part of Europlanet Research Infrastructure project, and the service is now available at this address, http parsec Europlanet.eu. Okay, the main part of the system is the alert system, where users can create their observing campaigns and create observing requests to share with other users. And the system will send notifications to interested observers, either in service or by email if you subscribe. Of course, the first step is to create an account in the service. We ask you for your standard username and email, but also we ask about your location. This will be used to find requests for you. You can specify one or more observatory locations, and then you can select for which of them you want to get the requests. After you register in the service, you can search for specific requests or observation campaigns. You have several filters. For example, if you're interested only in minor planets or comets, you can select what you want, select the date, your location, and the system will find the objects you can observe from your location. Of course, you can also create your own campaign or request. You can select an object you want to observe, add it to one of your existing campaigns or create a new campaign, select the date, add description, and add it to the service. Then the other users can see your request and follow it, respond, add comments, and contact you for more details. The other part of the Parsec service is a side project that is connected to Telescope Network, and it is a Telescope Network repository. And the goal is to provide easy way for sharing the Telescope Network data, because there is an obligation for researchers that use the Telescope Network to share the observational data after 1 year from the observation. and we can provide you a way to share your data. This repository is also hosted on Parsec service, and all the data uploaded to the service will be available in the Vespa virtual observatory service. And to add your data to the repository, you will use internet browser. You can define multiple sets of data, and for each set you can upload your files using a simple interface. Then we ask you to provide some keywords for your data to make it easily searchable in the Vespa service. Normally, most of these keywords will be automatically read from the feeds file. So in most cases, the user only needs to verify them and save. And after that, the data will be uploaded to the server, and it will wait 1 year from the declared observing time to be made public, and it can be searched using Vespa Virtual Observatory. Right now, the Parsec service isn't added to the Vespa service, but it still can be searched using custom service option and entering the IP of the service. We don't have any data except for some testing files, but you can see you can use Vespa to search and to find the specific object and find the URL for the observation files. So you can use, if you're a telescope network user and you ask for observing time and get the data, you can use this repository to publish your data online. Right now, the repository isn't public, so to get access, you need first to create an account on the Parsec service and then contact me, and I will give you access to uploading form. This repository will be added to the Vespa after we get some data from the observers, because we don't want to add to the Vespa the empty service. The Parsec service is still under construction, but most of the alert system is ready. So the next steps will be finalization of the alert system and inviting more users to start using this system. We also plan to add support tools for the observers. So if you make an observing request, the other users will see automatically generated features like sky maps around the object, ephemerides, and so on. Once we finish this, we can add more features. There is possibility to integrate the alert system and the file repository. Also, there are some similar projects, and I think it will be good to cooperate with them. Also, we are open for the suggestions about how this service should be developed and expanded. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to contact me. contact info is available in the service. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Krzysztof, for presenting our system. And I see one question from Stefan.
Yes, hello, Stefan Erard. I'm the the task leader for the Vespa activity in Europlanet. So I'm very glad of the progress you made about the data distribution system. And congratulations for doing this by yourself. But I think at this point we should need to meet and discuss the structure, the design of the service.
Okay, I can meet with you and discuss it. As I said, the system is under development now, so there can be many changes.
Yeah, but that would probably save time to start discussing at least the design of the table, and anywhere we provide support to people implementing data services with this system. So feel free to drop us a line, and I would be very interested to see where you are exactly. So if you could send me the URL of the server, that would be nice.
Okay, I will send you this today after this meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, for sure, we'll be in contact with you to discuss the technical things and so on. And I think it is worth to add that such a place like our alert system is a nice place when you start your observing campaign or coordinate your campaigns like the ones that Tomek Kwiatkowski was talking about for NEO. You can give an information about such system and advertise your observing campaign, and the users can see what observations are needed and do such fast observations. That's the goal of the project. Of course, the service is not entirely ready. So after finishing it, we will spread the information, and hopefully we will have a lot of users that will be using it, and we hope this will be a very useful tool for the coordinating of observations and collaborating between people. And here is the, please give us information, what would be helpful for you and what are your needs. Then we can still incorporate changes and your ideas and your needs. So please write to us and say what you want, what would be needed for you. Okay, so I don't see any more questions.